Hi, my name is Tanzer, Group Program Manager for Azure Big Compute at Microsoft. Welcome to SC16 in Salt Lake City.
And I'm Ian Buck from NVIDIA. I'm the Vice President of Tesla GPUs for data center and cloud computing.
We're here at Supercompute 16 to launch the N-Series VM on Azure. These are GPU-powered VMs supported by NVIDIA.
We're excited to be here at Supercomputing talking about GPUs in the cloud for AI for enterprises.
One of the big news items this week was the announcement we made about the collaboration between OpenAI and Microsoft. This relationship includes NVIDIA, and together this brings one of the leaders in AI research to the Azure cloud. Between OpenAI, NVIDIA, and Microsoft, we're going to make sure that Azure is the best place to develop deep learning solutions in the public cloud.
We're particularly excited about Microsoft's advancements in the Microsoft Cognitive Toolkit to get the maximum performance out of NVIDIA GPUs, both for the on-premises data center and their ability to scale up into the Azure cloud with the new N-Series GPUs.
Bringing HPC to the cloud really will change a lot of things for customers. Traditionally, HPC has been a scarce resource inside enterprises. Now, by moving into the cloud, customers are going to be able to apply it to a much broader set of solutions. Customers should expect access to the latest HPC technology from companies like NVIDIA much faster in the cloud than they would if they were running their own data centers. Ultimately, the goal, though, is to enable the customer to move their focus from managing the clusters that they had to do on-premise to how they manage the jobs and get things done in the cloud, given the breadth of availability of the resource.
Yeah, and I'd also say that AI is bringing HPC technology to enterprises. The kinds of systems, servers that are being deployed both in on-premises and in the Azure cloud are very similar to what the HPC community has been deploying for years, almost a decade now, with GPUs. So we're seeing this coming together of AI and HPC, and it's really exciting time for the enterprise.
So that convergence, Ian,
yeah,
is it happening more quickly than you expected?
Amazingly quickly, and that's because the AI community is an academic one that is very familiar with the HPC and supercomputing community, and that's kind of why we're here at Supercomputing 2016. The two communities are kind of learning from each other, both how AI and the enterprises can learn from the technologies and the kinds of servers and technologies that HP's already developed, but also how HPC can benefit from AI. How you're seeing use cases of AI in supercomputing, in solving things like cancer and doing numerical simulations, along with the workflows and things that enterprise want to do and managing their data and understanding their customer information.
Yeah, I think that's true. Like with the GPU preview, we had thousands of customers respond to try and use GPUs in the cloud. And one of the most common questions were from traditional HPC developers who wanted to figure out how to go use GPUs to accelerate adoption of deep learning in their solutions. And we saw it the other way too. We saw people who've had no experience on Azure come to the cloud to start doing deep learning and learning about their technology. The traditional customers for HPC, they vary. Everybody from somebody working on trying to cure cancer by simulating how genes perform, all the way to somebody working in manufacturing trying to figure out how to create self-driving cars, all the way into media and entertainment. Those folks will benefit from the work that we do to make HPC capabilities available via the cloud, given some of the things we discussed already. But there's a whole set of new customers. We are really looking forward to welcoming all developers who are working on massively parallel systems, even if it was not a traditional HPC business. What sets us apart from the competition is our approach to bringing HPC to the cloud. We're really focused on helping all of our customers increase their productivity and reduce the innovation loop through access to this technology. So you'll see us have a very predictable approach that enables customers to move to the cloud incrementally so they can take advantage of the technology in the way that they see fit. Customers will get access to the latest technologies through partnerships like the one we have in NVIDIA. We're already working on bringing the Pascal series of GPUs to customers in the public cloud. And you'll see us enable customers to focus more on just getting the job done and getting more value out of the solutions through the broad set of offerings that Azure brings that can contribute to HPC workloads in the cloud.
Working together, we have a great synergy and able to actually bring the latest technology at the speed of light of this industry.
Thanks for stopping by the Microsoft booth today. For more information, you can visit azure.com. We really look forward to seeing you at SC17 next year in Denver.
See you then.